Hello IELTS students. I hope you all are working hard to get your desired band score in IELTS test. Here I am back with another video. In this video I am going to give you some crucial IELTS writing connector to use in your writing task. So let's start. If you want to give advantages or disadvantages in the writing section, so you can write like this. A major disadvantage or advantage of this is, and the next one, another important merit is, or another important demerit is. If you want to express causes, then you can use those connector due to the fact that, for the reason that. And if you want to clarify an opinion, then you want to write like this to be more precise, more specifically. By this I mean, in the other words. In your writing essay, if you are asked like to what extent do you agree or disagree, then if you partially agree, then you can write like this. In such scenario, I partially agree with the writer's notion, and the reasons for my inclination are glanced through ensuing paragraph. If you want to start your body paragraph, then you can start like this: to commence with, to begin with, first and foremost. You can write those connectors in your essay. Read all of this. Next, if you want to give an example in your essay, then you can write like this: to cite an example. For instance, for example, then only for one word. Whenever you use that time, you use this word where Kalpana Chawla stands as an epitome paragon, and the linker words are below. In addition, moreover, furthermore, additionally, besides, however, nevertheless, periodically, on the contrary, on the other hand, on the flip side. If you want to sequencing the first idea, then adding supporting idea, then adding contrasting idea, and making a general statement, then use this connector in your essay. For example, the main reason is, another reason is, on the other hand, as a general rule. In the writing essay, you should write in the general. You should not give your personal example. Take a closer look on this connector. Then, for the agreement, contrast and reason, you can write these connectors in your writing task. Make sure you use only one connector for once only. You should not repeat connector more than one time. It will impact on your band score. It will give you a less band score if you use one connector more than one time. Then, if you want to sequence your body paragraph, then you can write like this: firstly, initially, secondly, etc. Then if you want to give the condition in your essay, then you should write like this: if, unless, whether. And if you want to give a reason in your essay, then you should write like this: owing to, due to, because of, the reason, why, in other words, leads to, etc. Then You can use the synonym of all these words. Advantages. The synonym of advantages is boons, odds, and the disadvantage is drawback, handicap. You should not use advantage, disadvantage, good, this kind of word more than one time. If you use more than one time, that it will impact on your band score. Please make the sentence with the use of this connector in your essay. I hope this would be beneficial for you. Thank you.